Have you ever heard this phrase? People buy from people they know, like, and trust. If you've been around for any length of time, you've heard that phrase. But how can you speed up the know, like, and trust factor to influence more buyers? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways to speed the know, like, and trust factor and influence buyers. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Carden. I'm a top business growth strategist for coaches, consultants, and people in the professional services space that want to build an ultra high-end business. They want to work with the biggest, best clients at the highest fees, and they want to scale their business into multiple 6 and 7 figures so they can work less and make more. If you're interested in seeing how you can do this in your business and you want to talk to me about working with me, then you can book a call at acarden.com. Okay, let's jump in. Speed the know, like, and trust so you can influence more buyers. You can get more people coming to you ready to buy. Who doesn't love having a call booked with a potential prospect where they are ready to buy? They're almost already sold. Well, here's one way. Understand and know your market better than they know themselves. So do some research. Really dig deep about what is going on in your market right now. You have to be relevant to your market in real time. When you do this and you talk about it and you put content out there and it's your message, you will start pulling those people into your ecosystem. You'll start pulling the right people in because your message and your content and everything that you're saying and talking about is on point. So you really want to explain to them that you understand the problems that they're going through right now. You want to explain them at a deep level in the details. Sometimes you can even show them what they didn't even realize. Then show them why these things are happening, and then show them how you have the solutions to fix it. So know and understand your market and talk about it. Be relevant in everything that you're putting out there so you can start influencing more buyers. The second thing is expert positioning. When you are positioned as the expert and the authority in a particular niche for what it is you do, you will speed the know, like, and trust. If I go to your LinkedIn profile and I see that you have 5 or 6 or 7 things in your headline that you do, and they're all kind of disconnected, I'm not going to think you're probably very good, and you're not going to look like an expert to me. If you look like a jack of all trades, you're not going to attract and influence buyers. So you want to make sure that you're looking like an expert in the niche, in the industry, in the market that you're really going after. And then show them again how you're relevant, how you understand them, how you know them. All of this will speed the know, like, and trust. Also, make sure your brand is on point so that you look like the expert. You don't want to look like the cheap used car when you want to attract Lamborghini clients, right? So make sure that all of your branding and everything that you have out there also looks high-end and like an expert. If you were going to search for a brain surgeon and maybe you went and interviewed a few brain surgeons, and one brain surgeon had books published and they clearly are, they're on stages and they're talking about their expertise, and all of that shows up in their marketing and on their website. And when they show up in front of you, they're very kind and they're dressed well and they look like the expert. And then you've got this other brain surgeon over here, and he shows up in front of you and he sits down and everything he's wearing is all wrinkly, and he didn't even look like he combed his hair that day. And I know this is an extreme example, but really this is how people look at brands. We're visual people, and this is how people look and make decisions a lot of times visually. It's the first thing that they see around you and your brand. So you will either repel them or you'll attract them. And so make sure that you look like the expert that you are. Look like the Lamborghini and attract the Lamborghini clients instead of the cheap used car people that are out there shopping looking for the best price, and they don't really care. They just want the cheapest price. Okay? Be the expert. The third thing that you can do is elevate your marketing. Do what I like to call next level marketing strategies. Have an expert book around your expertise that literally, again, explains to your market the problems they have, why they have those problems, and then how you are the solution, and walk them through your process in your book. Nothing can bring people to you faster than an expert book. It can also, though, get you on stages to speak about your expertise. Once again, sharing with your market that you understand them and that you have the solutions to their pain and to their problems. Some other ways that you can elevate your brand and use those next level marketing strategies is to have your own podcast or your own television show. The other way that you can do it is to go be a guest on people's podcasts. Let other people interview you. And nothing speaks expert and builds that know, like, and trust more than when other people are singing your praises. I just recently did a workshop, and I had some of my high-paying clients in the room with other consultants and coaches who were not my clients. And my clients spoke up, and they gave testimonials, and they sang my praises. And they told everyone in the room what it was like to work with me and the amazing results and what has happened in their business since they've worked with me. Well, that's better than anything I could have said, right? So you want other people singing your praises, other people talking about how great you are. That makes it so much easier for people to know, like, and trust you. The other thing, though, is you want to make sure that you're doing bigger things like getting published. And I already mentioned speaking, getting on stages, being the person at the front of the room, getting featured in the media, press releases, awards, all of these things also speed the know, like, and trust. So put some time and energy into those things. Don't be the best kept secret. Elevate your brand, but elevate it in a way that it really does make you look like the go-to in-demand expert that you truly are. All right? The fourth thing is social proof. Now, I already mentioned my clients were in the room when I ran that workshop, and they were giving testimonials, and they were talking about what it was like to work with me. But don't forget to put social proof everywhere. Put it across platforms. Let people see the results people are getting with you. If you don't toot your own horn, other people will do it, but you need to do it too. You want to show people the types of results. I love to interview my clients a lot and let them talk about what it was like to work with me and the results that they had. And I have lots and lots of videos on this channel, in fact, and out there on social media and even on my website where I'm interviewing my clients and they're talking about their results. And so social proof is huge to influence more buyers. Nothing speaks know, like, and trust more than when people can see that you are incredible at what you do because of the results and the outcomes that you help other people get. That's what they're buying anyway, right? So, social proof. All right, and finally, ask the right questions. When you are in front of someone, even when you're elevating your brand and you're out there on social media, it's great for you to know about your market and to really understand your market. But don't forget about just caring about the other person and ask the right questions. Sales can be made just by asking the right questions. When I was in the workshop this past week with all of those coaches and consultants, one of the testimonials that came out of that was someone said, I was blown away, Anne, at the way you uncovered everybody's problems in the room in 5 minutes because of a process and a series of questions that I asked them. And then I asked them to respond to those questions, and they were able to identify their own gaps and the things that were missing in their business. So the better your questions are, the more people are like, oh, this person is someone I can trust. They get it. They know what I'm going through. They know what I need. And that can speed the know, like, and trust. So let me just go back over the 5 things again very quickly. Number 1 is know and understand your market better than they know themselves and talk about it. They have to see you, and they have to see that you understand the market. Make sure that it's relevant for now, okay? Number 2 is your expert positioning, that outside perception that people have of you, of your brand, what you do, how good you are, all of that speeds the know, like, and trust. Number 3 is a book, speaking, getting on stages, getting published, having other people sing your praises, all of those things that I talked about. The 4th is social proof. Make sure that you're putting results out there, letting people see the amazing work that you are doing, the amazing impact that you're having. Let people see what you are all about and what you're doing for others. Nothing will influence buyers faster than if they can see how you're helping other people. And then finally, ask the right questions. Care about your audience, care about your market. Dig in, find out what's going on with them. Let them uncover what is going on with them so that it influences them to buy. I hope you found this helpful. If you're interested in attending my next workshop coming up, you can go to expertinyouworkshop.com and apply. It is a free virtual workshop where I'll be training some of my high-end clients in the room, and we do invite other people into the room that are excellent coaches and consultants who are ready for the strategies that I'm going to teach. This particular workshop is how to scale to $500,000 or more in your business with high-level, high-fee mastermind clients. So if this interests you, you can go apply for that workshop now at expertinyouworkshop.com. I'm Ann Carden. I hope you found this valuable. You have an amazing day and go speed the know, like, and trust so you can influence more buyers. God bless you. Bye-bye.